Once there was a son and a mom cat. They both are enjoying in water in their house. Son cat takes a happy shower. After this they take lunch. Then both mom and son cat take sun bath. They are getting ready for the shopping. They went to the market for shopping. They are walking along the roadside. Suddenly a big modern cat came and hit his car with the other car. Due to which a car hit the mom cat badly. Mom cat and son cat was taken to the hospital. Mom cat was in the coma. Now the Aeon cat decide to take his revenge. After 10 years, son cat became a police officer. And caught the same white thief cat. He took him into the jail. Now the Aeon cat was happy because he took the revenge of his mom cat. Son cat goes to his mom cat and hug him happily.